Hello everyone. Today I'm going to share 3 games which we play together, means my 2-year-old and 3-year-old, and it's fun games, fine motor skills, little logical and memory game. So explain to you, these all 3 are DIYs. So here comes the first one. So what it focuses on motor skills and reading the dice. Okay, and these are fruit forks, you can say. We get in a dollar store here, so there are a lot many in this one. Why I have put in this one, I'll explain to you. So these are thermocol, each one get one each, and then they roll a dice. Okay, they got 3. Then they have to pick up any 3 from there, but they'll not get a chance to look at the colors. Okay, then they'll pick up any 3 and then they have to poke on their board. 1, 2, assumingly this is the third one, and in the end who has maximum number of these ones is a winner. So why I have put this one, just to create a suspense kind of thing and reduce the conflict, because they are very particular about colors. Oh, she got blue, I also want a blue one. So it keeps a surprise element in it, that close your eyes, like closing your eyes, it's okay. So I'll pick up 3. Okay, yay. Oh, I got orange. Like that, we talk about colors for my 2-year-old and keeping the conflicts less and play fun more. So we work on reading the dice for my both 2 and 3-year-old, and motor skills here. Second one, it's again a DIY. So here I have some boxes were there, and I have written some activities over it. My kids cannot read, so I'll just read it in the morning. So what we do, during circle time, it is just a warm-up time. One will pick up a card and give it to me, and then I'll read it. So like, what does this say? Do a silly dance around something very big. So then they will go and run behind a big around a big ball or a big sofa, and like that. It has many questions like that, funny questions. Okay, pretend to pick up something very heavy, very big. So they have to pretend, oh my god, so heavy. You don't just have to pretend. So it adds to vocabulary, because there's like something big, small. There are some logical activities also, like hug something bigger than you. So my 2-year-old hugged her elder sister, so that's very cute. Go and touch something bigger than you. Then they touch a big ball around there. Then this is stand next to something that is same size as you. So then they found a chair which is of the same height they have. So like that, many activities you can add, like hop like a frog or crawl like a snail. But this is more towards physical movements of and size, small, big, hug, just some logic. You can write anything. Okay, they just love running around and thinking about what's the question and playing the puzzle. So a big hit with my 2 and 3-year-old. This is a pill box, the days of week. So we play the memory game. I have put different small things in it. So there is a magnet, there are beads, there are buttons, just like that. Okay, so I'll show to them, and then both will have to remember what it is, and then I close it. Okay, so now I say blue bead. It's a bare button. So put something which they can recollect easily. Okay, that like these are color based exactly. My 2-year-old now knows the color, so it works for us. Blue bead, a teddy bear, a red button, a pink magnet, orange button. It's a bell. It's a bell. It makes sound, bell, and a black bead. So then I close it. Okay, now who will tell me where is the blue bead? And then my 2-year-old will try searching, and then my 3-year-old will try, oh yes, you won it. And then this my 3-year-old will earn it, and like that we play till all the boxes are empty. Or sometimes we don't earn it, we just keep playing randomly and they have fun, and then in between I'll change it, change the position of the objects, and then it's a very good logical game and fun game to play with your 2 and 3-year-old. So hope give it a try with your friends, with your family. It is a fun when we involve their dad also sometimes, but just go ahead and try it out and let me know how it goes with your family, and have fun parenting. Bye bye.